Hello, hello, friends. Happy Friday. Congratulations, we've made it. Whoop, whoop. Hey, in the kitchen here cooking dinner, and I thought I would share with you because this is a super healthy thing I'm making here. So this is flounder. I mean, fish is so healthy, obviously. But let me see if I can turn the camera around. If I can find the right button. There it is. Okay, so I love these flounder fillets I get from Costco. Orca Bay Foods, get them from Costco. They are super low calorie, one fillet is like 50 calories. This is considered some of the leanest meat on our program. So a serving is 7 ounces, which I've already weighed it. So it's basically 2 fillets is a serving. So Heather and I are each going to get 2 fillets. So super simple. I keep them frozen, and then they defrost like in a bowl of water in literally like 4 minutes. So they defrost super fast. So you can just leave them in the freezer. You don't have to worry about it. And thaw them out. And then what I do for some spices, usually I do this, some olive oil, and I just do like a really fast kind of spray over it with them. And then a little lemon pepper, salt over top. Now that's what I usually do. Heather said she wanted to try something different, so today we're going to use this mojo rub. It's a citrus blend of mojo rub. Looks really good. We've had it on some other stuff, and I'm going with an avocado oil instead of the olive oil. I just think it pairs better maybe with the mojo citrus rub. By the way, I love these oils. These are great. The avocado oil spray, both the sprays are great because you can go ahead and have a very small amount of oil, still get the flavor, still get the benefit of the cooking, but a very small controlled amount of oil. And what I like about the avocado actually is a higher smoke point oil. So if you're sauteing or frying something, this is probably a better choice if it's gonna be high heat, because this is like a 400 or 500 point, smoke point, I think. Oh, 500, yeah, 500 degree smoke point on the olive oil, or avocado oil rather. So anyway, yeah, going with this blend today, and super simple. And again, I'm just following the recipe as far as the cook time on the bag here, 375 for 7 minutes. I find that 7 minutes puts them, just melt in your mouth. Perfect. I mean, just, oh my gosh. So I just wanted to share, super easy. Again, I like to just put it on this cookie sheet thing here. And I like to line my cookie sheet with a little tin foil, so that way when I clean it up, it's just throw it away. And also I use a little baking sheet or a rack there, so get some heat underneath there. They cook real evenly. I do spray both sides with the oil too. Yeah, I just pop them in there for 375 for 7 minutes. Beautiful. So anyway, I'll post a picture when they come out so you can see how they turned out. But I'm just gonna put this with a salad with some fresh cucumber from the garden out back. And we're gonna have a delicious lean and green meal on program, healthy, love it. Give it a try yourself. Get these at Costco. Again, one more time, that is the flounder fillets from Orca Bay. I really recommend them from Costco. So, all right, friends, have a great weekend. Talk soon.